I never even had Portugal on my list, but then I finally went and nothing could have prepared me for this.
I've been in bed, like fighting for my life. I don't know what I ate. I thought it was the dinner, but from the Michelin star restaurant, but that wouldn't make sense because I had an okay day yesterday. So what I ate yesterday, little piece of a churro, olives, guac chips, and I feel like now I'm thinking about it, I had one olive today because my stomach started bubbling yesterday and I did not feel well enough to even eat my dinner. I made dinner, made the salmon wraps. I didn't eat that. I just ate the guac and went to bed. And now that I'm thinking about it, I think it's the olives because I had one single olive and I feel absolutely fucking crazy now. So now I'm like, is it botulism? Which is my worst fear. Is it botulism? Like, it might have been botulism. I don't know. Does that make you die? Either way, I'm in bed watching movies.
Today is my last official day, and here is my outfit for Bom Jesus, Bom Jesus. I don't know. All of the museums are closed today. Yay! So we can't do that. Wonderful. But it's 80 degrees today, so it's beautiful. It's a wonderful day. Here's the fit. I'm doing not comfy shoes, but like cuter shoes because I'm just gonna Uber everywhere. And my stomach has been torn up now it's been 2 days. So I don't know what to eat. I had a banana today, and I had one singular banana yesterday and like 3 olives. That's what I ate yesterday. So I still feel unsettled, so I don't know what to do, but I am like so hungry. So I'm not actually hungry, but I know I should eat. So I'm gonna try to get like a salad. I would love a salmon, a char-broiled salmon Caesar salad. But like the Caesar dressing, I'm so particular. I need it salty and just like, I be all over Portugal. You can't tell me I don't live here. You can't tell me I'm not from Portugal. Obrigado. Ciao. Fun fact, I wasn't able to get my beautiful crispy salmon Caesar salad because they actually gave me a mushroom salad instead, and I didn't really want to complain, so I started eating it until I got harassed by the guy next to me who would not stop sexually harassing me until he was told to leave because the entire restaurant wouldn't stop staring at us. This meal was a lot more civilized. Happy birthday to whoever's birthday it is, and shout out to that beautiful picanha that I had.
Yeah, my flight is boarding. Oh my God.
You cannot tell me God is not real. Whew. I'm at the Paris airport. I had a connection from Porto and the plane was a little bit late. And so I got off the plane and I immediately just started running. I was like, just go, just go, just go, just go. Just keep going and don't stop. I stopped for a little bit of water. I have asthma. Go, 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 right? I get to the shuttle where you're supposed to take like a transfer over to the M gate, and there's this long ass line of people in line for K, and they're about to board the shuttle for K. I'm trying to get to M. As I turn the corner and I'm like right there, she's like, M, shuttles for M. And everybody in line's like, what? We've been waiting. There's no way this is organized. What? I got on that shuttle with 3 other people. They closed the shuttle and now I'm in line and the plane's boarding. Like, you cannot tell me God is not real.
We're expecting. Please see the CPAC card.
Hey y'all, I made it back home. We're back in Arizona. I'm in a Waymo. Yeah. Do I have a lot of trust? I do have a lot of trust. But I was not in the mood to be, I was not in the mood to be in somebody's car yapping. How was your trip? So where did you come from? So how was your trip? And how was Paris? And how was Portugal? And how long did you stay? I can't. I'm so sorry. I can't. And I know that's very anti-human of me, but I can't do it. I can't do it right now. I just traveled damn near 16 hours. I need peace. Waymo is your girl will go 35. And yes, sister, I get it. You know, low and slow. However, we do have places to be. So if you want to go 60.
Wow, what a trip. What a baddie. I loved Portugal from beginning to end, everything about it, how serene, how beautiful. There's just so much to explore and see and taste and experience, and it's definitely going to be one of my favorite trips that I've ever had in my life. Yeah, it's definitely going down in the books.
So go low and then just get like as much as you can. Oh, actually,